Have you ever had a fight with your lover, your beloved, that left you feeling misunderstood and disconnected? What if you had a powerful tool that turned that conflict, that fight, into connection? I am Joanna Shakti, the Soul Love Mentor, founder of Ecstatic Intimacy, and very happy host of the 5th annual Love Library giveaway. I am here with Deborah Morehead to tell you a little bit about the Love Library, and Deborah is one of our more than 30 contributors this year that I am so honored to get to partner with and share with. So, what is this Love Library giveaway, you might ask? Well, it actually is this online event that brings together, like I said, more than 30 experts to all offer you their gifts, their wisdom, their tools, their programs that will turn a challenged or even non-existent love life into something extraordinary. So there's programs, there's videos, there's workbooks, all kinds of things. And Deborah's got a powerful tool. And in just a second, I'm going to turn it over to Deborah and let her tell you about that. If you want to visit the Love Library and get Deborah's gift and all the other gifts that are available to really build your own digital love library on your devices, on your computer, go to lovelibrarygiveaway.com. lovelibrarygiveaway.com, and you will get access to everything that we're talking about. So with that, I'm turning it over to you, Deborah. Please introduce yourself and tell us about your part in the Love Library.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much, Joanna. And I just think it's so wonderful that you are doing this for everyone. It's such a wonderful gift. And I myself have signed up for the library as well, because there's so many amazing experts that have such amazing tools. I've spent some time in there myself. So yeah, so I am so excited, and thank you for inviting me to be a part of this. As you may be aware, but I've been a psychotherapist. I'm an individual marriage and family therapist. I've been doing this for 26 years. I absolutely love being able to step into people's lives who are in pain and struggling in their relationships, and getting to basically help them to really create happier relationships, because that's what we all want, right? We don't want to be in conflict and be in misery within our relationships. So that's exactly what I do, and I'm so excited to be here. And yeah, and that's why I'm here, because I started out in a pretty crappy relationship, and I was determined to figure it out. Yeah, that's, I think, why a lot of us do this. I was determined to figure it out. I was stood up on my 30th birthday by my drug addicted boyfriend. So I'm like, I'm not staying there anymore. So that's how I started on my path to become a therapist. And now I have the joy of working with so many different women and couples and helping them to really shift their life and their relationships.
Love it. Love it. Is such important work. Our relationships are such an integral part. And whether we're in one and we're struggling, or whether we're looking for one, most of the time, if we're looking for one, we were struggling in the last one. Yes. And so we know this pain, and to transform that into something that is magical and intimate and reverent and so deeply powerful it changes entire lives and entire families, for that matter. So it's so important. Please, please, please tell people about your gift and the way that it can turn the struggles into something much more powerful and profound.
Absolutely. So my gift is called Turning Conflict into Connection, and it's a little cheat sheet. Technically, it's a tool, and I need to let you know that I use this tool with my couples in my sessions as well. Basically, what we know, right, from all of the research, we know that criticism and defensiveness and all of those things that usually happen in fights, it's basically becomes a you against me situation, and we're just defensive and critical and blaming, And that's what creates fights. And that's why we walk away feeling like, I don't even think this other person understood what I was saying, and feeling more disconnected and definitely not understood at all, because all we in normal conversations, what we do is, right, one person talks at us and we're already in our head thinking, how am I going to respond to that? And I'm going to tell them this, and I'm going to write, and then we talk back at them, and then they talk back at us, and absolutely nothing gets accomplished. So this tool is very specifically, when I work with couples in my office, each one holds it in their hands because it's got a very specific step by step. It basically kind of takes what is known in the couples work as what's called the speaker listener technique, but basically it's where you slow the conversation down, which is not normal for us.
Nope.
And one person is in the speaker role, and the other person is in the listener role. And there's specific things that the speaker does and specific things the listener does. But basically, the speaker is being clear about their perspective, but they're doing it in kind, gentle ways. So like using the I statement, sharing what feelings you're having. In fact, the second page of my little tool, my little cheat sheet, has a whole half page of different feeling words to help you to identify what you were really feeling. Because we know that when we're more vulnerable and share our feelings, what happens is it draws the person into us, right? If somebody says to me, I was feeling really lonely and hurt when blah, 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 somebody who cares about me is going to go, oh, I didn't mean for you to feel that way, right? It brings us in, it draws us in. So there's very specific steps on what the speaker does. And then the listener is staying in a curious place, and there's specific things that the listener can do to make sure that there is a clear understanding. And only then do you switch sides, and then you turn the other way. So that's what my tool is. It's very clear of how to work through conflict in a way that it's you and me against the problem, not against each other. And
Yes.
draws towards connection.
Yes, 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 yes. I speak about it as emotions are the language of intimacy, that deep, deep connection. So you so resonate with, that speaks so deeply to my heart and my soul. And so thank you for a hugely, hugely powerful tool. And that's what excites me so much about this love library. As Deborah said, there were things that she went and downloaded. There are things that I'm like, oh, I want that. Oh yeah, I want that. And so, and this is an incredibly powerful tool. So please, please do your heart and your soul a favor and go to lovelibrarygiveaway.com and get your free access pass into the library. Download Deborah's gift, use it, print it out, have it there when you have that next, I should say, print it out before you have that next conflict. So thank you, Deborah. Is there anything else that you want to say before we close?
Yeah, like I said, I've had fun already in the love library. So just sign up and get in there, because there is so much great information in there. So go, sign up.
Go. Yep. Yes. Lovelibrarygiveaway.com. This is Deborah Morehead, and I'm Joanna Shakti. We'll see you guys in the Love Library.